Hey, what's up? Arvin here. Today we're going to be drawing a car in 2 minutes using the doodling method. Let's get started. Okay folks, today we're going to be drawing a car, in fact just doodling a car in just about 2 minutes. And before we start, be sure to smash that subscribe button. One of the things I do here in this doodling method is to make sure that I do not leave the pen off of the paper or the post-it note here in this case. So this really poses a formidable challenge because you're so used to lifting your pen or pencil off of the page to kind of reset yourself and kind of follow your muscle memory when you're drawing things, that when you have to now challenge yourself to just use one single stroke, it can create some pretty interesting shapes. But that's okay. You know, it's really kind of exercising another part of your brain, of your cognitive ability to be able to look and identify where the shapes are, where they can go, and along the way you kind of create some really interesting scribbles. So the objective is not to be perfect. The objective is just to use it as a practicing method to maybe discover some happy accidents, because you don't know where, you don't really have everything planned out. For me, fundamentally, I do know how to draw the cars, but you know, I do it with a particular method and I start. So when I do something like this, it really forces me to find a path of how I'm going to draw this. So give this thing a shot. Just spend 2 minutes, take some reference photographs, and let's see how you do. We'll see you next time on Driven to Draw. Have a good one.